Hey Dhanama, do you know about tribal dances?
Yes, I heard little bit.
Okay, India is a land rich in tradition, colorful cultures and have a deep-rooted history. These dances display the language, story, powerful expression of identity, unity and spirituality.
And even I also know that tribals are deeply connected to the nature, celebrating their ritual festivals and honor their ancestors through their tribal dance. Is it right, Kirti?
Exactly. That beat, the drums and the powerful expression and the energetic dances all create an unforgettable experience.
Wow, after listening your words, I am so excited to see the performance and beautiful memories from our school students.
So audience, are you all excited?
Yes.
So sit back, feel the beat and let yourself into the world of tribe. Now put your hands together and welcome our 6th and 7th boys on this stage.
లాలిజో నీ తండ్రి లాలేది భూమిలా ఒక వింతగా నీ గొంతే వింటుంది హో తండ్రైన తల్లిగా మారే నీ కావ్యం హో ఈ చిలిపి నవ్వుల గమనం సుధా ప్లావ్యం ఇరువురి రెండు గుండెలేకమయ్యను సూటిగా కవచములేని వాణ్ణి కాని కాచుత తోడుగా ఒకే ఒక్క శ్రు చాలు తోడే కొరగా లాలిజో హాలా
Hey, பகத்தி பல்ல பல்லக்க பட்டி தொட்டி கலகலக்க பறந்து வர்றான் வேட்டக்காரன் பாமரனின் கூட்டுக்காரன் நிக்காம போட்டு 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 வர்றான் பாரு வேட்டக்காரன் புலி புறமுது இடி இடிக்குது இடி இடிக்குது கொடி பறக்குது வேட்டக்காரன் வரத பார்த்து கொலை நடுங்குது துடி துடிக்குது நில கலகுது வேட்டக்காரன் வரத பார்த்து
ಕುಂಬಾ 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 ಹು ಹು ಹಾ
ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ನೋಮಲ್ಲು ಇದು
ಏನಿಲ್ಲೋ ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಭಾಷೆದಾಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ
ಜೋರಾದ್ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ
ಮತ್ತ